Imagine earning $1,000 a month every single month without clocking in, without chasing clients, and without stressing over your next paycheck. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a passive income stream, step by step. And at the end, I'll share the biggest mistake beginners make that can secretly kill their income before it even starts. You'll want to avoid it, so stick around. Welcome back to Hidden Finance, where we turn smart money moves into real results. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Pick the right income stream. First, you need the right passive income stream. Not all passive income is truly passive. Some options still require tons of time or huge upfront money. For 2025, the most realistic options are selling digital products, YouTube automation, investing in dividend-paying stocks, affiliate marketing. Pick one that matches your skills and resources. One focused stream beats juggling 5 half-hearted ones. Step 2. Set a realistic timeline. Building a $1,000 monthly stream isn't overnight magic. Expect it to take 6 to 12 months with consistent effort. Break it down. $1,000 a month equals about $33 a day, which means just one digital sale, a few affiliate clicks, or a small dividend payout. When you break the goal into small daily wins, it becomes achievable. Step 3. Start small, then scale. Don't stress about the big numbers yet. Your first $1 made passively is a bigger achievement than any big future dream. Then aim for $10. Then $100. Stack small wins. Reinvest your early profits, whether that's upgrading your tools, running ads, or creating more high-quality products. Scaling happens naturally when you nurture those early seeds. Step 4. Automate and optimize. The less you manually do, the more passive your system becomes. Use AI tools for content creation, marketing, even customer service. Schedule your uploads, automate your emails, set up auto-delivery for digital products. Think like a systems builder, not just a creator. Systems set you free. Step 5. Monitor, adjust, grow. Passive income still needs steering. Monitor your metrics, sales numbers, views, conversion rates. What's working? What isn't? Don't be afraid to tweak your offers, update your content, or pivot your strategy. Small adjustments can create massive long-term gains. Bonus tip, here's the biggest mistake most beginners make. Quitting too early. They plant a seed, water it for a month, and then walk away just before it would have bloomed. Passive income takes patience. Those first few months might feel slow. Stay consistent and your future self will thank you. Building a $1,000 monthly passive income stream is 100% possible if you stay focused, automate wisely, and play the long game. Which income stream are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Hidden Finance for weekly money strategies that actually work.